Hello viewers, today we are going to see how to remove background of an image. So in this session we will be using the web sources and to remove the background of a image. So we are not going to use any photo editing apps like Photoshop or any other tool. So this will be completely through online tools through which we can remove the background of an image. So this will just take 2 minutes and I'll teach you how to do that. So in order to do that, you need to visit a website called RemoveBG. Remove.bg is the website. www.remove.bg is the website. You can open this site. This site will look like this. Upload the image. So I have taken one of my friend's photo, and here if you upload it, it will show the background removed image. So this will be like a PNG image. You can either download it or you can download it in HD format. See, this image got downloaded now. You can open in folder and see the image. So this doesn't have any background. So this is the actual image with background. The new one is the image without background. So I'll copy this and open a PowerPoint, and then let's say I'll show you how it may look like. So copy and I'm pasting it here, and so I'm pasting it here. So it may look like it gets fit to the new picture. So it looks like this person is working in this office. So something similar to that, it got fit. So this is how we remove background of an image, and then we can use it in some other image. Thank you.